Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you Shopify Starter Plan tutorial and review on how to set it up and whether it's worth it for your e-commerce businesses. Let's get started. First things first, Shopify's Starter Plan is designed for entrepreneurs who want to start selling online without the complexity of managing a fulfilled e-commerce store. It's great option for small businesses, side hustlers, or anyone looking to sell products quickly with minimal upfront cost. The starter plan gives you access to essential tools including a simple online store, mobile-friendly shopping cart, and the ability to sell through social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook. Now let's talk about the pricing. As of 2025, the Shopify Starter Plan is priced at just $19 per month. This is an affordable way to get your foot in the door of the e-commerce world. The starter plan or basic plan is perfect for those just getting started, and it doesn't require you to build a full website from scratch. Alright, let's walk you through setting up your Shopify starter plan. First of all, sign up at shopify.com. After you enter your email, create an account. You will be taken to a simple dashboard where you can start setting up your store. Shopify gives you an option to choose your store name and customize your storefront. Since this plan is for those who want simplicity, the customization options are quite basic, but you can still upload your logo, add a brief description, and set up your store details. Once your store is set up, it's time to add your products. Shopify Starter lets you easily upload products details like title, description, price, and photos. If you already have products from suppliers or your own inventory, you can quickly add them to your store. The interface is super simple. Just click add product, fill in your product information, and hit save. Shopify also allows you to add a product variant if you are selling different sizes or colors. One of the key features of the Shopify Starter Plan is the ability to sell directly on social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram. After setting up your product, you can link your Shopify account to your social media profiles. This integrations this integration allows you to directly share products to your Instagram and Facebook feeds, turning your posts into viable products. This is a huge plus for anyone with an existing social media following who wants to start making sales without need a full online store. When a customer buys your product, Shopify automatically manages the payments and order process. You can track your orders from the dashboard. Shopify handles everything from confirming payments to sending customers the receipt. The starter plan integrates with Shopify payments, so you can accept major credit cards, debit cards, and even local payment options depending on your region. It also supports PayPal, which is convenient for customers who prefer to pay via PayPal. Now that we have covered how to set it up, let's quickly go over the pros and cons of the Shopify starter plans. Pros: affordable at $19 per month, quick setup with minimal customization required. Ability: now starter plan is $1 per month. Quick setup with minimal customization required. Ability to sell on social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook. Integrated payment processing with Shopify payments and PayPal. Cons: limited design customization compared to higher tier Shopify plans. You can't access advanced features like Shopify's full online store builder, reports, and more detailed analytics. Not suitable for businesses that want to scale quickly and need advanced features like email marketing automation. So, if you are just getting started and need something simple for affordable, the starter plan is an excellent choice. But if you plan to grow your business and need more customization or advanced tools, you might want to consider upgrading to one of Shopify's higher tier plans. And that wraps up your Shopify starter plan tutorial and review for 2025. The starter plan is perfect for someone who needs simplicity and affordability, while the other plans gives you more advanced features if you are ready to grow your business. Like the basic Shopify plan starts nine $19 per month, offering a full online store with more customization options and additional features like discount codes and abundant cart recovery. The Shopify plan cost $105 per month and includes more advanced features like professionals reports and lower credit cards. There's the fun part. The advanced plan cost $1 for 3 months for first 3 months. So that's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.